Hi children, how are you? I hope everybody is fine. We are going to learn ninth class English Unit 1. The theme humor, a reading, the snake and the mirror. Before going to the lesson, we see about the author. About the author, Vaikom Muhammad Bashir was a Malayalam fiction writer from the state of Kerala in India. He was a humanist, freedom fighter, novelist and short story writer. This story, The Snake and the Mirror, was translated into English by V. Abdullah. So our topic is the snake and the mirror. What is the relation between snake and mirror? So now let us start the lesson. The narrator of the story is the doctor himself, where he narrates the story to some individuals. So look at this. He is the narrator, he is doctor also. He narrates this story to his friends. Here is some individuals. Furthermore, the story revolves around two aspects. So here is story revolves two aspects. The first aspect is the snake and the second aspect is the mirror. The story is narrative within the narrative. So this is narrative, it is also within the narrative. Before going to begin the lesson, I would like to ask some question to you. Question is, have you ever touched a snake? I think your answer is definitely no. We cannot touch the snakes because snakes are dangerous and poisonous. In this lesson, narrator asked a question to his friends, what is that we see? So, has a snake ever coiled itself round any part of your body? This is the question asked by the doctor, narrator. So, a full-blooded cobra. All of us fell silent. The question came from the homeopath. So, here is the narrator asked a question to his friends. So, that question is, has a snake ever coiled itself round any part of your body? So, all the friends when listen this question, so they are all felt silent. So, that snake is here a full-blooded, that is cobra. Cobra is very dangerous, strong. So, look at this cobra. This is cobra. You look at this very dangerous poisonous snake. So, coil meaning is this is coiled, this is coiled. So, coiled meaning here to wind are arranged in a tight circle of rings. So, when narrator asked this question, all of us meaning all of his friends fell silent. Who asked this question? Students, this question asked by homeopath. Homeopath meaning, my dear students, here, this is noun form, a person practicing in homeopathy. Homeopathy is one of the medicine, and allopathy and Ayurvedic, these are the medicine, education of medicine. So, they are discussing, the topic came came up when we are discussing snakes. The narrator and his friends, they are discussing about snakes. The story also related to snakes. So we listened attentively as the doctor continued with the tale. So who are listening here? His friends or some individuals. They are listening story attentively, meaning here, dear children, very important, this glossary, carefully. You know, full-blooded meaning strong, attentively meaning carefully. Carefully they are listen the doctor's story as the doctor continued with the tale. Tale meaning here noun form tale, that is story. It was a hot summer night about 10 o'clock. I had my meal at the restaurant and returned to my room. So you see this meaning, it was summer season. It was summer season, that was night time. Time is about 10 o'clock. You can understand easily. So here, doctor had finished. Then the doctor, after finishing his meal at a restaurant and came back to his room. He finished his meal and he came back to his own room. Here you see children, I heard a noise from above as I opened the door. When the doctor returned to his room, here doctor heard a noise which came from above of the room. As I opened the door, when he opened the door, he heard some noise, that is above. The sound was familiar one. The sound was familiar. You see, familiar meaning commonly or generally known or seen. So at the same time, children, you see glossary, restaurant. You know, restaurant meaning a place where people pay to sit and eat meals. This is restaurant, that is a big hotel. So here doctor had dinner, had a supper at a restaurant. So the sound was, when he came to his room, he heard some sound. That sound was a commonly or generally known to him. One could say that rats, and I shared the room. Here already doctor know the sound. Already well known the commonly this sound. What is the sound may be? That is the sound of the rats. The rats were running and jumping. So here shared and I shared. Here the doctor shared the room to the rats. So here the rats are his roommates. Here the rats are followers of the doctor. So I took out my box of matches and lighted the kerosene lamp on the table. So here children, doctor took out his matchbox and lighted the kerosene lamp which is on the table. So because here children, there was no electric supply that room. So there was no current electricity in that room. The room was in dark. So look at this, all the students look at this. This is the structure setup of his room. So this is the room. There was no electricity, you can see in the picture. So now see children, the house was not electrified. You already watched the slide. It was a small rented room. I had just set up medical practice and my earnings were meager. So here the house was not electrified. You can understand. So there was no electricity. This story happened a long ago. That time there was no electricity in that village. So it was a small rented room. So here the doctor who lived in a rented room. So I had just to set up medical practice means, so he just to practice medical only. So that is his earnings. Earnings meaning here you see here, earnings meaning money or amount. So he had amount very meager. Meager meaning this is pronunciation very important. Meager. Meager meaning very less, very small quantity. So this is adjective, very small quantity. He had some money. This it tells that the doctor is very poor. I had about 60 rupees in my suitcase. So along with some shirts and dhotis. So here the doctor, poor doctor here, he had only 60 rupees in his suitcase only. He had some shirts and some dhotis. So you see white color here, dhotis. This is dhoti, which is Indian men own. So Indian men wear this clothes. I also possessed. Possessed meaning here had one solitary, so black coat which I was then wearing. So he had here the doctor had one solitary meaning single black coat which I was then wearing. You see this is a black coat. So now, so I took off my black coat. So here the doctor removed his black coat, white shirt and not so white vest, so and hung them up. So these are here doctor removed his black coat and white shirt and not white vest. So what is white vest here? This is called white vest. So vest meaning this is noun form, a garment worn under a shirt, a piece of underwear or banian. This is, so that is the color is not white, not so white. These are, so black coat, white shirt and vest also hung them up. I opened the two windows in the room. So you know, you can understand easily there was no electricity that room. So doctor opened two windows in the room. So it was an outer room with one wall facing the open yard. So that it had a tiled roof with long supporting gables. So you all the children look at this. Here is rats also moving here. So this is called gables. Gables here. This is called gable. This is the shape of upper part of a wall. So upper part of a wall. Below a sloping roof. This is sloping roof. This is gables. This is called gables. That rested in the beam over the wall. So here rats are under the gable. So that rested on the beam over the wall. There was no ceiling. So here is no slab. There was no ceiling. So this is tiled houses. There was a regular traffic of rats to and from the beam. So here is traffic meaning movement. So they are movement here. So many rats are there in this house. There here traffic meaning moving or movement. So you see next paragraph. I made my bed and pulled it close to the wall. So I lay down, but I could not sleep. I got up and went out to the veranda for a little air, but the wind god seemed to have taken time off. This paragraph meaning, all the students you look at here, I referred here. Who was I referred? I referred here doctor, homeopathy doctor. So homeopathy doctor made his bed and pulled it close to the wall because there was no electricity. So he lay down, but he could not sleep. Then he got up and went out to the veranda. Veranda, you know the meaning of, you see here glossary. Veranda is noun form, a roofed platform, along the outside of a house. So that is called veranda. This is outside of the house for a little air. So outside of the house, he went there for little air. But the wind god seemed to have taken time off. This is meaning wind god is not there. Wind god is not there, meaning there was no air. There was no air. That is the meaning. Taken time off meaning the wind god take holiday or no air supply. Next you see next para. I went back into the room and sat down on the chair. I opened the box beneath the table and took out a book, the Materia Medica. Dear children, you see, here the doctor again went back into his room and sat down. He was sitting on the chair. He opened the box which is beneath, meaning here underneath, under the table, beneath the table, and took out a book. So here the narrator took out the book which is beneath, under the table. That book is, he took the book, the name of the book is here, the Materia Medica. So here children, you see how is the book, that is book here, the Materia Medica. So I opened it at the table. He took the book and we opened the book at the table. So on which stood the lamp. So there is a lamp also on the table. You watched before scene. So and a large mirror is there. You see this is mirror. A small comb lay beside the mirror. So on the table there are some articles are there. So book, Materia Medica book, and lamp, and mirror and comb. These are the setup in his room. You already watched in first slide. So beneath meaning underneath. Okay, next one. One feels tempted to look into a mirror when it is near. So here the doctor just he tempted meaning here attracted. This is verb. The doctor attracted to look into mirror. You can understand easily, children. So doctor want to see his image in the mirror when it is nearer. It is near, very near. The mirror is very near. So I took a look. Here the doctor took a look into the mirror. In those days I was a great admirer. Admirer meaning appreciate, respect, so of beauty. And I believed in making myself look handsome. So here is a doctor. The doctor is young doctor. He wanted to make himself look handsome. So because I was unmarried and was a doctor. So here the narrator, a doctor was unmarried. So bachelor. So and was a doctor also. So here the doctor to look into a mirror in attracted way. So you see what happened next slide. So I got up, lit a beedi and faced up and down the room. Then another lovely thought struck me. I would marry. I would get married to a woman doctor. We had plenty of money and a good medical practice. So here the doctor, what happened here? Doctor got up. Here doctor got up. So there was no wind guard. There was no air. So he lit a beedi also. And faced meaning, so all the students look here, face here, verb to walk up and down many times. So walk up and down the room. He go up, he go there and come, he go there and come. Then another lovely thought struck me. So another, here doctors, another thought struck in his mind. Another thought struck in his mind. What was the thought here? So here is the thought is you see, he would marry. So you know he was a bachelor, unmarried doctor. So want to marry. So he would get married to a woman doctor. So here he wanted to marry the so here marriage that girl, maybe he wants a woman doctor. So he is a doctor, he want to marry a woman doctor who had plenty of money. So they will practice, they get money, so much money, and they get medical practice and a good medical practice. So she had to be fat. So here is the twist, dear children, you see the appearance you want to the girl. So many young boys or young men want to thin ladies, want to marry thin ladies. So here the doctor had to be choose a fat woman, this type of woman, fat, fat woman. Look at the picture. So for a valid reason. So here is a reason is there, some cause is, some reason is there. So what is the reason, what is the logic? He will explain, the doctor explain later. So if I made some silly mistake, so if I refer a doctor, if made some mistakes, some silly mistakes, stupid mistakes, if we made and needed to run away. So this meaning you can understand. How is she? She is very fat. So if she is very fat, she cannot run after him. So cannot run after him and she cannot catch him. So this is the logic. This is the reason you want to choose fat woman. Needed to run away. She could not be able to run after me and catch me. This is the logic, you see. So he had to he choose woman doctor, but she had to be fat. So you see next paragraph. Which such thoughts, these type of thoughts in my mind. So here the doctor mind struck so many thoughts is there. So here I resumed my seat in the chair in front of the table. So resumed meaning here you see students, this is verb form, begin again. So here the doctor begin again, is seat in the chair, again he sat in the chair in front of the table. So before the table he sat again. There were no more sounds. Here all the students from above. So first we saw sound above and resound, second time also heard the sound, but this time there were no more sound from above. So suddenly there came a dull thud as if a rubber tube had fallen to the ground. Suddenly meaning here immediately, unexpectedly, there came a dull thud. Thud meaning here you see children, this is noun form. A dull sound made when a heavy object fall. Something fall above, something fall. So something fall down to the ground. So as if a rubber tube had fallen to the ground. That is the sound we just like a rubber tube which had fallen to the ground. That is the third sound, a big third sound. Surely nothing to worry about. Here doctor is not worry about it. He can already know his room position. So he already know about the sounds. So here doctor nothing worry about this third sound